Welcome! In today's video, we'll learn how to clear the cache of the X app, formerly known as Twitter. Clearing the cache can help improve the app's performance and free up some storage space on your device. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all the features of your device. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications. The name may vary depending on your device, but it should be relatively easy to find. Next, scroll through the list of apps until you find X or Twitter. Tap on it to open the app settings. This is where you can manage specific settings related to the app. Now, look for the option that says Storage. Tap on it, and you'll see details about the storage usage for the X app. This is where you can clear the cache, which helps the app run more smoothly. At the bottom right, you'll find the Clear Cache button. Tap on this and confirm any prompts that may appear. This action will remove temporary files that the app no longer needs, freeing up space and potentially speeding up the app. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache of the X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your apps and devices. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved X experience.